Yo, what's up, guys? International O back at it. Another review. I can't lie, man. I've been hitting lately, man. The luck has been on my side. I'm thankful for it. The luck has been on my side. It started with the pine green ones. I hit on the court purples, as you just saw from the video. I hit on another pair of shoes that I'm doing a video review on soon. They should be here tomorrow, so stay tuned for that one. Then this shoe, I hit on this one that I'm about to do, because honestly, I never have luck on Adidas site, but I actually got lucky when I hit on this one. And do I have another shoe coming? Nah, I think that's it. I might have one more coming. Got so many shoes that's been coming in. Oh yeah, I got a sale from Adidas too. I got last night. They had the super dope deal, 40% off. I think it's still running now. So if you're going to use SEPT40 on Adidas website, and they have a few clothes and shoes that's 40% off. So I was able to get a shoe that was $130 and got it for $58. You can't beat that. So with all that said, let's get to this one. I didn't know what box this was coming in. I saw a review online, and that's how I determined. I didn't know what type of box they were going to use, but if they used the normal Ultra Boost box. It's a Solar Hue Glide, the Pharrell Solar Hue Glide with the Boost sole, the Boost technology. So yeah, we gonna check these out. Oh yeah, these are hard, man. These are hard. I rock with these. I can't lie though, I might swap these laces out. I like these dark laces instead of these. These kind of make it stand out a little, but I like the dark laces a little better. Just a little better. But I like these, man. Yeah, these are nice. The multicolored joints. As you can see, on the inside it says Boost. On the inside it has the Continental tires. You know what I'm saying? So you walking around on them dubs, on them. The multicolored material has the hue on the toe of this one. Adidas tagging right here. And of course right here on the side it has the hue in red. Back tab is purple. And it kind of has like the teal coloring. Like, I love this shoe. I love the coloring on this shoe. It's just the color on it, man. It makes it stand out. It says hue on both of them. These are nice, man. I rock with these. I really rock with these. Yeah, these are hard. Yeah. And as you can see, like I said, it has the Boost sole. So you can see, check that out. Honestly, man, I'm gonna be honest with you. I be wanting to do on foot, but I suck at on foots. Like I just did a video. The last one I did on the Vans and the Legacy 312s, and somebody come in and said this video is bad. It probably was. I'm not the on foot guy. I'm sorry. I'm really not. If you want me to try it, for fuck's sake, I can. Let you guys see how the on foot looks with the shoe. I'll go ahead and do that for you guys, so you can see how it look. I don't know how these fit. They could. I'm praying they true to size, because I got a 13 and I wear a 13. But I know sometimes with Boost they fit tight. I'm praying that this fits, because I don't want to return this shoe. I want this shoe. It is dope. So I'm hoping that it fits. And I guess I'll do it on foot for you guys. So we'll get to that. All right, guys. Overall, this shoe is dope. After trying it on, of course, you know Ultra Boosts kind of have a slight snug fit, but I will say these are true to size, so you can go true to size on these with no problem. They fit me just well. Actually taking these laces out, I saw these in the box. They had a black pair that was attached to the shoe. Then they had this yellow pair. Kind of undecided on which one I'm gonna use. I'm not using the original lace that was in those. I don't like those. So I'm thinking about going black though. I like these, but I might go ahead and use the black color in there. Let me know what you guys think in the description of the shoe overall. Be sure to subscribe to the page. Also like the video. And yeah, I'm gonna swap these laces out. I already took them out of this one, so I'm gonna start that process. So until the next release, you guys be cool.